Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some cool extension in Linux operating system. As you can see, my user interface or my UI right now is like this. As you can see, the top bar or this dock, we will change it with some extension, and also we have some cool extension that I'm gonna explore and install it. Okay, the first extension are and this is a text file that I'm gonna share with you guys in the description of the video to how to install on this extension. Okay, from where we should install this extension, this is the link that we can install from this link, and also it have the application. For example, if we go to this application, or if we have downloaded this extension manager, we can download and install extensions from here. For example, we can browse and we can find out some extension here. This is my installed extension. This is the browse part. We can search for it. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna copy this extension and I will go to my browser. First of all, I'm gonna install extension from here, and when we go here, it will ask us to install that application. If you if you haven't already installed that application or the extension application, it will ask you to install that. Okay, if you guys don't haven't installed, click here to install browser extension. It will install it. It's for browser, and also you can see some pop-ups to install it for your operating system. Okay, the first extension we're gonna explore is blur my shell. Okay, what it does is blur everything for everywhere. For example, as you can see, here is gray. Okay, if we want it a bit blur, we can download the extension. Okay, how to install it? Just search for it, blur my. Okay, what is the name? Blur my shell. Okay, just wait for it. This is the extension. Just click on it and you can see here the install button and some picture and some description. Okay, I'm gonna click on here and it will ask us to open extension manager. If you haven't installed that, you can install it and open that. Okay, I'm gonna click on this, it will open it, and I'm hit install. Again install, it will install for us. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the picture and it's installed. Okay, this is the extension that we just installed, and look at this guys, all of here are blurred and it's a bit beautiful. Okay, this was the first extension, and the next extension I'm gonna explore is Clipboard Indicator. As you know guys, in Windows we have clipboard, and the file we have copied there, we can, for example, copy it again and use it. And in the Linux we don't have anything like that. How to use clipboard? We should install an extension. How to install it? From here, or you guys can come here and search for it. For example, I'm gonna search for clipboard indicator. Okay, just search for it and wait. This is clipboard indicator. Okay guys, you can download this, or you can download the next one. The next one is my favorite. Actually, I want to install this because it has some more settings to explore. Okay, it will ask us again to open it, open the extension program. Okay, we can click on install. Okay guys, just wait for it. Click on install and it will be installed. Okay, install. Okay, just wait a few seconds for it, it will be installed. Okay, as you can see guys, the clipboard indicator is installed, and if we go here, it's the clipboard indicator, and also the most popular clipboard indicator. I don't know what is this icon, but here we can see those files or those things that we copied before. Okay, this was the second extension, and you guys can a good private mode, and it has some setting that you guys can explore it. Okay, and you can clear the history or go to the setting. It has some setting that you guys can explore it. Okay, the next extension I'm gonna show you guys is high topper. One of the biggest problem when I came to Linux from Windows, this was this top bar. For example, when I go or when I full screen something, the top bar is always there, and I don't want that. I want to hide it. For example, when nothing is there, it will show, and when something is there, that should be hide. Okay, for this we have another extension, and the name of the extension is hide top bar. Okay, we can search here, and I don't want to search it here. I'm gonna install it from here. I'm gonna search hide top bar. Okay, just wait for it, and this is the extension. Click on install button. It will ask to install, and it will be installed. As you can see, guys, right now it's installed, and it works like this. For example, if something is there, that will be just hide. Okay, if we are in the home screen, or if we are on the desktop, as you can see, that's there. And if we open something, for example the file manager, as you can see, that is hide. Okay, this was another beautiful extension. Okay, the next extension I'm gonna show you is the Emoji Copy. And as you know, guys, we don't have any emoji copier or any emoji in Linux. When you chat with someone, you want to use some emoji, you can use this extension for that. Okay, I'm gonna come here and search for emoji. Just wait a few seconds and click on install. It will install the Emoji Copy. Okay, it installed, and as you can see, guys, here's the emojis that we can use, all of them. There's lots of emoji that we can just click. For example, I'm gonna click this, and we can hit Ctrl+V to paste it, or we can go here and also click here. It will just insert it from where we from there we copied, and here we can paste it. Okay, the next extension and the next cool extension is dash to dock animated. This will make this dock like a Mac OS. For example, if you wanted to look your dock to look like Mac OS, for example, if you hover some icons, it should be like Mac OS or animated. You can use this extension. Okay, the extension is dash to dock animated. I think the name is this. Okay, dash to dock animated. Just click on install. It will install it for you. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is more beautiful than previous one, and you can turn it off from here. For example, from here we are back to this Ubuntu default dock, and we can the beautiful thing is that we can turn off that completely and turn this option on. Okay, guys, this was the extension that I wanted to show you. And as you can see, guys, it have lots of settings that you can explore it and change. For example, the icon sizes, the icon spacing, and lots of other things. For example, I wanted a bit space, and also I wanted a bit smaller. Okay, like this is beautiful. Okay, I want a bit more spacing. Okay, it's enough, I think. Okay, you can explore lots of other things, and you can set it for your favorite. Okay, guys, this was the video that I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. We'll see you in the next video.